I'm Mingyu Zhang, and it's my pleasure to introduce the electric vehicle charging solutions from Delta Electronics. Delta Electronics has a long history of innovation and has been a global leader in power and thermal management technologies. Delta offers some of the most energy-efficient products and solutions for many applications and in many industries, including energy infrastructure, which is going through an evolution with megatrends in electrification, digitalization, and decentralization. Within energy infrastructure, Delta is particularly active in renewables, energy storage, and EV charging solutions. The corporate mission of Delta is to provide innovative, clean, and energy-efficient solutions for a better tomorrow. From core capabilities to product planning, Delta follows the brand promise, smarter, greener, together. This is not only a requirement for Delta's corporate development, but also a commitment to global customers. Among all the new business areas, EV is a breakthrough technology that is transforming transportation and fighting climate change by eliminating carbon emission. That's why Delta Electronics started to develop EV charger in 2010. As of today, there are more than 800,000 Delta EV chargers installed in more than 50 countries worldwide. In the past 10 years, we have seen tremendous growth in this industry. While until now, the market attention has always been on Tesla. However, things are going to change. As we know, each major car company will launch 20 to 30 new EV models in the next 3 years. In fact, several car makers have announced plans to stop production of gasoline cars and only make electric cars. We believe this is the perfect timing to introduce our next generation charging solutions to meet charging requirements for future electric cars. And here are just a few examples of how we help customers prepare for the EV charging challenges in Indonesia, including charging network in highways and also charging services in car dealerships. One of the major type of charging products is AC charging. The target applications for AC charging include home, business, and public. We know 80% of charging take place at home, and it is important for EV driver to know they can always have the car fully charged first thing in the morning. When people are not at home, they are probably at work. So workplace, commercial parking, and retail hotels are also ideal locations for charging. And in order to connect all the dots, public charging is also important, just like what gas stations mean for gasoline cars today. Delta AC Max is our latest product in this category, and it is designed for everyday charging. It is of maximum performance for up to 3-phase 32 amp and 22 kilowatt charging with lowest standby power. It is possible to reduce charging current when needed. AC Max allows remote updates to add on new features, and its IP55 ingress protection is ideal for indoor and outdoor use. There are multiple ways of user authentication thanks to network connectivities and smart features. Therefore, we are offering 3 models of AC Max for different customer segments. The basic model is for home, and smart model is with network connectivities is for business operations. And the premium model is with certified meter for public applications to manage payment and billing. The other type of charging is DC charging. The target applications for DC charging include commercial and public. Compared to AC charger, DC charger bypass the limitation of onboard chargers and are able to achieve higher charging rates for up to 350 kilowatts. We support CCS and CHAdeMO standards that are commonly used by EVs in the market. DC wallbox is compact in size for 25 kilowatt output. It is the smallest DC charger in the market and can fully charge an EV in less than 1 hour, which make it perfect choice for charging solutions for commercial locations. Following the standard features of Delta EV chargers, it also comes with communication, auto rating, and remote upgrade and configuration. We have been providing DC wallbox in US, Europe, and several Asian countries with more than 6,000 installations so far. DC-DC city charger is designed for charging at 50 kilowatt and 100 kilowatt, so it is 2 or 4 times faster than DC wallbox and can charge 2 cars at the same time, using the same or different charging protocols. There is also a dynamic local distribution that will be able to control charging output based on real-time demand from the cars. This will allow site operators to optimize charging service and improve customer satisfaction. From our experience in the industry, we see several challenges accompanying EV boom from three major perspectives. EV drivers care about how to reach the destination gracefully. As we know, range anxiety is by far the most critical bottleneck in EV adoption. Operators care about return of investment. In the past few years, we have seen many companies, including big groups and startups, getting into the charging service operation, while we know many of them are not profitable at this moment because of economy of scale is not yet achieved. We believe this is going to change soon with new EV adoption. With more competition in this field, operators need the most suitable solutions for the business needs regarding the type of chargers, the number of chargers, locations, and management architecture. Grid suppliers care about stability of power grids. As we know, most of the grid companies are liable for grid supply of a country. And we are here to help grid suppliers plan for the future smoothly. With the addition of new charger products, we are now offering customers the most comprehensive product portfolio for EV charging. But this is just the beginning. Imagine when there are more electric cars on the road, the aggregated charging needs could become an impact to the grid. We believe EV charger will play a critical role in the future grid, including by working with energy storage for peak control, working with solar inverter for renewable integration, and working with management system to optimize energy usage at highest efficiency. By offering all the building blocks, we are one step ahead of the industry and are committed to solve tomorrow's problem from today. This concludes the presentation today. Please scan the QR code on the screen to get more information. And if there are any inquiries for products or sales, welcome to contact our country manager for Indonesia, Mr. Johnny Tan. We look forward to working with you and driving e-mobility of the future.